Hello, everyone. Welcome to a spooktacular Halloween special at Charlie's Kids Discovery. Today, we're going to draw a Halloween pumpkin head. Yes, that's right, a Halloween pumpkin head drawing. It's going to be so much fun. Remember, you can download this drawing for free. Ask your parents. They can find the download link in the description below. Before we start, let me grab some paper and a pencil. Now, is everybody ready? Let's get started on our creative adventure. We'll begin with dot number 1. Find dot number 1. Can you find it? It's here. Here is number 1 and connect it to dot number 2. Great job. Next, let's hop over to dot number 3 and connect it to dot number 4. Perfect. We're making a spooky pumpkin head. Are you having as much fun as me? Find dot number 5. From 4, we go to 5 and connect it to dot number 6. Hoo-hoo, spooky! Now, let's move to dot number 7 and connect it to dot number 8. The pumpkin head have a creepy smile. Spooky, right? Nice job. Now, let's go to dot number 9 and connect it to dot number 10. Brilliant! And don't forget dot number 11. Connect it to dot number 12. It's starting to look awesome. Remember, you can pause the video if you need more time to connect the dots. We are halfway there now. Find dot number 13 and connect it. From 13 to dot number 14. Excellent! Next, let's move to dot number 15 and connect it to dot number 16. It's starting to look amazing. Moving on. Go to dot number 17 and connect it to dot number 18. Superb! Now, let's connect dot number 19 to dot number 20 for the first part. Then, connect dot number 21 to dot number 22. Looking good. I am having so much fun. And you? 22 to 23. Connect dot number 23 to dot number 24. Now, hop to dot number 25 and connect it to dot number 26. Next, dot number 27 to dot number 28. And finally, dot number 29 to dot number 30. From 30, we go to 31. And there you have it. Our Halloween pumpkin head is complete. Remember, you can pause the video if you need more time to connect the dot. Wow, you did an amazing job drawing your Halloween pumpkin head with 31 dots. Remember, you can download this drawing for free. The link is in the description below. Now let's color our drawing. I hope you had a blast creating this spooky drawing. Join us next time for more adventures at Charlie's Kids Discovery. Until then, happy drawing and happy Halloween.